Here's why the trading volume for Bitcoin will drop to $5 billion in the next 24 hours. The recent performance of Bitcoin has been scrutinized in the dynamic and constantly shifting environment of the cryptocurrency market. The top digital currency in the world, which is currently trading at 29,890, fell by just under 0.25% on Sunday. What has attracted a lot of attention, though, is the noticeable decline in its trading volume, which has dropped to $5 billion in only one day. We will examine the causes of this drop in trading volume and its potential effects on future Bitcoin price predictions in this Bitcoin price prediction. The expectation surrounding the halving event and the UK court's acceptance of Craig Wright's appeal in the Bitcoin rights issue further complicate the existing status of the market for Bitcoin. Craig Wright's appeal in the Bitcoin rights case is accepted by a UK court. Craig Wright's petition to pursue his claim that the Bitcoin file format is eligible for copyright protection was upheld by a British court on July 20, making it possible to pursue that claim. Since 2016, Craig Wright has claimed that he invented Bitcoin. In his complaint, he claims that the Bitcoin white paper's file structure, database rights pertaining to the Bitcoin blockchain, and copyright infringement. 13 Bitcoin core developers and numerous companies, including Blockstream, Coinbase, and Block, are named as defendants in the complaint. Concerns have been expressed not only within the crypto community but also internationally about the decision to allow rights arguments to be considered in court. The scenario has raised concerns from the Bitcoin Law Defense Foundation, BLDF, which claims it may create a risky precedent for the creation of open-source software. According to the BLDF, the concepts of cooperative development and innovation in the technology sector are seriously threatened by permitting developers to be sued for changing the file format of open-source software based on another person's claim of authorship. However, the possibility of such legal fights has stoked skepticism and unfavorable feelings in the crypto community, which has an impact on the behavior of the BTC market and keeps its value under pressure. Prices of Bitcoin falling amid expectation of event of halving. The imminent block reward halving event, which is expected to take place in less than 280 days, is to blame for the falling values of BTC. The Bitcoin network's block subsidy will drop from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC during the fourth reward halving event. Every 4 years or so, there are reward halving events, which try to reduce the supply of freshly issued Bitcoins to miners in order to increase its scarcity. The finite total supply of 21 million Bitcoins, which makes it a deflationary asset, is one of the factors boosting its value. For miners and the network, the halving incident has a number of ramifications. Reduced block rewards could make some mining operations less viable or unprofitable for some miners, which could impair network security and stability as miners leave the network. As transaction demand increases and Bitcoin becomes more widely accepted, miners may give higher priority to transactions with higher fees in order to keep the network secure and retain revenue. A delicate balance must be struck, though, as extremely high transaction fees risk discouraging regular users and limiting the viability of Bitcoin as a medium of trade. The halving event's anticipation and rumor-mongering also affect market mood and pricing. The expectation of how the price of Bitcoin will be affected by the halving might raise interest in and pressure on miners. Price prediction for Bitcoin. The lack of volatility that Bitcoin has been exhibiting as of Sunday has led to jagged moves within its trading range. Bitcoin is constrained inside a small range and in a phase of consolidation on a daily basis. Support is located about $29,600, and resistance is found at about $31,400. If Bitcoin can conclusively close above the $29,600 mark, this may potentially lead to a positive rise for the cryptocurrency, thus it is an important thing to watch. Bitcoin, however, might find support near $28,450 and perhaps even lower below $27,450 if there is a clear break below $29,600. Surpassing the $31,350 mark would pave the way for the next important target at about $32,500 in terms of upward progress. Given these price ranges, it is crucial to keep a close eye on the $29,600 level because it will be a key deciding factor in today's trading activities.